So here's an actual diagram of how all this goes together or comes apart, either way.
So somebody's been in here before.
What's that mean?
See that? They've worked on this thing. See?
So we have this skid steer. It's been parked for a little bit. It's not wanting to lift. So we've started to kind of initiate a little bit of maintenance and figure out what the problem is. We've started with the simple stuff as far as checking the, of course, the fluids and all that kind of stuff, the fuses, to cracking this little box open, whatever's back behind this.
Hydraulic
pump, maybe?
Yeah.
When you open the switch, all the alarms are going to come up, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's just like a car. All of them emissions. When you turn it on, all of them.
Right.
When you're ready to go, you're tied in, you're off from there, you're going to move. The alarm's not sound.
Right.
So this goes off.
Keep working on it. That's fine. Just thinking. Okay, so we're going to So it goes over here.
There are beggars.
That could have been the issue, electrical issue.
Can you cut that sleeve off and look at them, see if they're damaged?
Well, I can probably just take my phone and take a picture of them. So it could be this pump is bad. Yeah, mister. Whole thing. Take more shit out.
I guess there's no That's dirty, no?
Yeah. Next step is to take this off.
What is that?
It's just a cleaner.
So here's an actual diagram of how all this goes together or comes apart. When we originally opened this, well, here's the new seals that we just ordered. Open those up and I'll show them the one that. So both of those were broke when we. So these were the old pieces. Now when we opened it, there's also a piece right in here. Right there. That's broke. And those two. These are the new ones right here. Really fragile. So we have the gears inside. So this one is where the flow comes in. The gears will turn clockwise. And then on this side, the fitting is smaller, and that's where the pressurized fluid comes out. So we're putting on the new what do you call those, gaskets? O-rings, gaskets. Seals back on. And be able to pop this thing back together.
So this arrow points that is turns this way, and that is correct, right? Yes.
I'm not left-handed. That is the gauge for the hydraulic oil.
It takes 7 gallons.
Careful. Like, yep, right there, it's full. Run it and top it back off if it needs it.
Still have no pressure.
alarm is reading low pressure. A big old bubble kind of came, if you look down in the hydraulic reservoir, a big bubble kind of bloomed out, and then the alarm went off.
Well, I can tell you that this sensor not running,
That should help,
it's
right?
a huge thing.
It sucked all of it dry.
No, I got it this time. Just watch the meter. Set over quick.
Yep, it's full. So there was a small little leak on that hose right there on the top. He's tightening that down. We ran it, and there is a compression, maybe you can point it out. Is that what it's called, a compression spring, maybe?
It is a pressure adjustment on the control valve.
Point your finger where it's at. Finger where it's at, if you can.
Right here.
Yeah. So that can adjust your speed, I guess, of your hydraulics.
The pressure.
The pressure of the hydraulics, which in return makes your bucket go up and down faster, right? Things like that. So far, everything we've done, we keep seeing positive results.